Hi everybody, Greg Davis with MarineMax here in Savannah. Just received a 215 XSF Scout for a customer. Wanted to give you a quick walkthrough. They've got it rigged with the bimini top, which offers a ton of shade. New 200 V6 Mercury outboard. Give you a quick walkthrough real fast. Great design on this boat with the easy in and out, the transom. Walk up here. You can see how much coverage the bimini has. Here's a quick picture of the helm. They went with the Garmin and Fusion setup, trim tabs. Of course, the digital shift and throttle from Mercury. Got the leaning post. This one does have a bench seat in the back, live well on this side, and walk to the front and give you a quick look at the bow setup. Great seating up here. This one has the teak bow table, storage for your anchor, front rod holders. There's storage in this seat here. They also got it with a porta potty. If you have any questions on this boat or any boat that MarineMax sells, give us a call here in Savannah, 912-897-9881. Thank you.